In this video, learn about the DevExpress WinForms Grids API, which allows you to filter data and locate rows. You'll see how to apply a filter condition to an entire view or to individual columns, how to clear the existing filter conditions, and how to locate rows by cell values or display text. The DevExpress WinForms Grid API allows you to apply a filter condition to a view or to individual columns. This video will show both by assigning click handlers to buttons in the view filtering and column filtering groups. First, handle the click event of the Apply Filter button in the View Filtering group. In the event handler, assign the filter expression to the view's active filter string property. The filter expression contains three clauses combined by OR and logical operators. First and second clauses are grouped using parentheses. Filter conditions use various comparison operators such as is greater than or not equal to. Date-time constants must be wrapped with pound characters, while string constants must be enclosed within single quotation marks. Now write the event handler for the Clear Filter button. To clear filter settings for the view and all its columns, call the clear method of the view's active filter property. Now let's run the application to see the result. Click the Apply Filter button to select records where unit price is less than 20 or order date is greater than June 1st and the product name is not Chang. The grid will display filter buttons for columns that are involved in the filter expression. However, filter dropdowns in these columns do not contain items that would clear the filter. Click the Clear Filter button to remove filter settings for the entire view. Now close the application and switch to the column filtering group. Handle the click event of the Apply Filter button to select records whose unit price is greater than 20 and less than 30. To do this, create a new column filter info object with the desired filter condition and assign it to the unit price column's filter info property. In the Clear Filter button's click event handler, call the target column's clear filter method. Now run the application and click the Apply Filter button in the column filtering group to filter data against the unit price column. Now the target column's dropdown contains the All item that allows clearing the column's filter. Let's remove the filter applied to the column by clicking the corresponding Clear Filter button. To change the text displayed within the filter panel, add a parameter to the column filter info object constructor. Now run the application again to see the result. When you click the Apply Filter button in the column filtering group, the grid filters data against the unit price column and displays the specified text within the filter panel. Return to design time and write code for the Locate Row button in the ribbon control. Call the view's Locate by Value method with three parameters. The first specifying the row handle where the search starts, the second narrows the search down to a specific column, and the third specifies the search value. The category column uses the image combo box in place editor, which represents underlying integer values as strings with images. The value of 1 corresponds to the beverages category. After the row is found, move focus to it by setting the view's focused row handle property. Now run the application and click the Locate Row button. As a result, the grid focuses the nearest row that contains beverages in the category column. Subsequent clicks iterate through all rows with the beverages category. Now close the application and modify the handler code to locate rows by display text. To do this, use the Locate by Display Text method and pass the beverages string as the third parameter. Now run the application again and click the Locate Row button to see the result.